No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? And don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? And don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? And don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? And don't you still
Hey, welcome to Great Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Today, y'all, what we're going to do is we're going to make some deviled eggs. This was a request by Simply Key. She is a YouTube subscriber and she is a YouTube creator. So I'm going to post a link of her description box where you can go visit her on her YouTube channel. And Simply Key, I just want to thank you so much, my sister, for requesting this video because I've been wanting to do this for a long time. So this is what we got. It's going to be a simple, easy recipe for deviled eggs. I got 6 hard-boiled eggs, all right? And I'm going to have a YouTube video showing you guys how to come out with the perfect boiled egg, all right? And, okay, so I got 6 eggs. I got some black pepper, some sweet relish pickles, and some yellow mustard, some Hellman's real mayonnaise, some Slap Your Mama seasoning, and some Worcestershire sauce. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, as you can see, I'm ready to go ahead and slice these. So this is a perfect boiled egg. And whatever y'all guys do, please don't criticize my nails. I work in an automotive shop. Some of you guys are so critical of these nails, but this is how we're going to do it. And I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to do a video showing you exactly how I do these here hard-boiled eggs, alright? So what I'm going to first do is I'm just going to go ahead and split these eggs down the middle, alright? And let me do one more for you. That's all we want to do. And just split them down the middle. And as you can see, the center of these eggs, pretty perfect. Alright, so let's go ahead and split the rest of these, okay? Alright, y'all, what I did was I went on and I split my eggs up and I dumped them out into the little bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and do the dressing on that now. So I arranged these on the plate, okay? So how I did mine is I put the fattest end outward and the thinnest end is inward, alright? And this is pretty much how the eggs look once I dumped out the yolk. So let's go ahead and make the fillings for the deviled eggs. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and add this here Hellman's real mayonnaise to this here. So I'm going to leave the measurements below, alright? So you guys could definitely follow the measurements. So after that, so we got that in there. We're going to go ahead and get some of this here mustard in. Like I say, measurements are going to be below. I'm going to squeeze in some of these here pickle relish. Get in a couple of spoonfuls of these. I love this stuff, y'all, especially in my eggs too. I mean, good gracious. Alright, so you know I like egg salad, so I got to love these here pickles. I'm going to put a little splash of the Worcestershire sauce in there. Put me some cracked black in this here. Can't go wrong with no black pepper. There we go. And then we're going to put some of this here, Slap Your Mama. Well, whatever you do, don't slap your mama for real, because I guarantee you're going to get your teeth knocked out. I know, I got a few missing myself. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. And some people use a piping bag, and some people use a Ziploc bag to you know, squeeze some of this in. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it conventional. I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up pretty good. And I'm going to spoon it right in those eggs. So I'll be back once all of this is mixed together. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fill these up. Before y'all do this, taste your filling to make sure you got enough seasoning in it. Alright? So, like I said, I'm just using a spoon to fill these. That's number 1. Hit the center one. There's number 2.
Number 3.
There we go, 3. And get these done up. So as you can see, it ain't too much to making these devil eggs, and they're gonna definitely taste good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of these filled up, and I don't want you guys to go nowhere. Alright, y'all, then went on and put some little baby sweet pickles on this thing. So what I'm gonna do now is just take some paprika and just douse it right on top of the eggs. And then from there, if you want, take some parsley and just douse it with some parsley. And that's it. That's what we got. Deviled eggs, Mack style. Now you can add bacon to it or whatever the case may be. Do your own little spin and twist. But this is easy, simple, quick, and in a hurry type of deal. Alright, with the baby sweet pickles, it gives it a nice little bite, crunch, and more added flavor. Alright. On Sundays, we will be trying something new. It is called Subscriber Shout Out Sunday. So if you have a YouTube channel and you would like to have a shout out for your channel, all you have to do is go to the Show More section and fill out the subscriber form, and you will get a shout out from Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Now, this is another thing I like for you guys to do. Visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture, and you could also check out this video while you're here. So thank you, love and not hate. Peace, love you all. Before I go, love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.